Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can draw and add curves to straight lines in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentations in 2026. So let us get started. Navigate to presentation on PowerPoint and let me add a straight line for demonstration purposes to that slide. Click into Insert, select Shapes, and let me go with one of these here, for example. So there you go, that's a straight line. Now what you need to do, guys, is add connectors to that straight line first, and after that bend in these sections or segments of the line according to your preferences to make it a curved line. So to convert a straight line into a curved line, right click into the line, hover mouse over connector types and select curved connector. That is going to convert your straight line into a line like this. Now you could use that connector here, click into it and adjust the position of that connector. What you want to do also, guys, is right click into it again, for example, and convert it back to a straight connector if you like, or for instance add a new line, for example, to that line here. And yeah, that's how you convert a straight line into a curved line on Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.